In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to track packages within Trello using the brilliant Trello Powerup. This is a fantastic feature that can really simplify your workflow, especially if you're managing multiple shipments. Let's dive right in. First things first, open up your favorite web browser and head over to Trello.com. You'll find Trello's homepage, and from there, go ahead and click on the login button. This will bring you to the next page where you can either log in using your email or simply use your Google account if you've linked it before. Both methods are incredibly straightforward, so choose whichever you're comfortable with. Once you're logged in, it's time to navigate to your boards. To do this, look for the Your Workspaces section. It's here where you can see all the boards that you're a part of. Click on the board you're intending to use for package tracking. This might be a specific project board or a general management board, whatever suits your needs. Now that you're on the right board, look up to the top right of your screen and find the option to add power-ups. Click on that and you'll enter a new world of Trello features waiting to be explored. In the search bar, type Package Tracker. Trello should display the Package Tracker Powerup prominently. Click Add to integrate it with your board. You're almost set up to start tracking. After adding the Powerup, you can close the menu and get back to your board's main interface. The next thing you'll want to do is click on the card where you would like to add package tracking information. This card should be the one where details about the shipment are best kept. Easy for you and your team to access. With the card open, you'll now see an option to Track Package. Click on this option to begin your tracking. You'll then see fields where you can type in the package's name, which is basically a label you're giving it for reference. Right next to that is where you'll enter the tracking number provided by your shipper. It's important to double check that you've put in the correct tracking number to ensure accurate information. Next, selecting a carrier is crucial. There are often multiple options such as FedEx, UPS or USPS, among others, so click Select a Carrier and choose the right one from the list. Once everything is filled out correctly, hit the Track button. Trello will now start displaying the tracking information right within your card, making it easy to monitor shipment updates as they occur. And just like that, you've transformed a Trello card into a dynamic package tracker. Thank you for tuning in and happy tracking.